Illinois State University, Illinois First Public University. Wonsook Kim School of Art. Create your community, create your future. Students making art. Text, We are ISU. ISU Student Chapter NIAA. Center for the Visual Arts. Exhibit. Create. Learn. Inspire. Students work in studios. Text, collaborate. Experiment. Travel. Explore. A student rolls a ball of molten glass on a steel table. Another student mixes paint. Several students pose for a group photo. An instructor laughs. Hand sculpt clay on a potter's wheel. Paintings hang on a wall. Glass sculpture sits on the floor. A student carves linoleum. Another rolls ink with a large rubber roller. Students in protective jackets pull a hot glass rod from a furnace, then cut it into pieces with hand tools. A woman extends out a string. Text, ISU, Illinois State University. ART Wonsook Kim School of Art. YOU. A student smiles and holds a flower. Text, Make a painting woman. A student jumps into the air. Text, Create your legacy.